at the Bellagio Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm here to give you guys a quick room and resort tour so you know exactly what to expect before coming to visit in 2021. You can check in completely contactless with our MGM Resort app and get your key on your phone, or you can check in at one of their socially distanced kiosks. I got the room key sent to my phone at 12:50 p.m., so let's go check out that room first. So this is a 510 square foot resort king room. I booked this room at $253 total with taxes and resort fees on the night I went, but while editing this, I see that this room is listed at just over $300 now. But take into consideration, Las Vegas is quite empty during the week during these times, and the weekends are when these resorts make their money. It would be cheaper not on a Saturday. I don't know how I keep getting so lucky that I keep getting hotels with mountain views, but check this out. How nice. They also gave us fancy masks and an entire thing of hand sanitizer. Make sure you don't touch the drinks in the fridge because you will get charged if you take them out. Kind of disappointed that there's no snacks though, because drunk people love snacks. Ooh. Great lighting to do your makeup though. Upon entering the hotel, I saw this beautiful conservatory and I knew I had to film it once I put my bags down. It's much less crowded in the morning. In the afternoons, there will be lines to make sure people are keeping a 6-foot distance. It's definitely worth taking a walk through though. Next, it's time to check out the casino. These shots were taken between 2 and 3 in the afternoon. It wasn't very busy during the day, but don't be fooled, it definitely got busy around 5 p.m. They do have up plastic borders between table games and hand sanitizing stations are everywhere, so make sure to use them. Keeping your mask on is also a must unless you're drinking, eating, or smoking. I hope this video gives you a better insight as to what the Bellagio is looking like right now during 2021. Thanks for watching and I will catch you all on the next one.